I'm Kirby Mouser of the Bain Law Firm. I'm a people lawyer. Next, let's talk about your medical payments coverage under your automobile insurance. Most automobile insurance policies offer a MedPay coverage. Usually it's about $5,000. Medical payment coverage is no-fault coverage typically, and that means it will pay for the medical expenses necessary to treat injuries in an accident, whether the accident is your fault or the other guy's fault. Well, why is that important? Because I have health insurance, you might ask. Well, first of all, health insurance usually has deductibles and co-insurance payments. And if you rely on the other person's insurance to pay, their liability insurance, you'll find that they do not pay quickly. As a matter of fact, they usually will not pay until the total whole claim can be settled. So to cover that ambulance ride, to cover that emergency room treatment, to cover all of those initial expenses, automobile medical payment coverage is very important. It's also pretty inexpensive. It only covers your medical treatment from an accident that's covered by your policy rather than your health insurance, which covers general medical. So there's no deductible. It pays from the first dollar. Having medical payment coverage can allow you to get treatment early, which many times will get you back to work more quickly, which will help you if you're not able to work to afford medical treatment, which can be very expensive. I had a case just recently in which the accident was relatively minor in the sense that it did not cause a lot of property damage, but it did cause a 3-day stay in the hospital, an emergency room visit, and 3 days at the hospital. That bill, with the cost for MRIs and CT scans and other kinds of expensive diagnostic testing, was $21,000. Now, having that $5,000 didn't cover it all, but what it did was it covered all of the co-insurance and deductibles so that my client was able to keep getting medical treatment until he got well without having to take money out of his savings or without having to worry about being sued for a bill that he couldn't pay.